Hi, welcome my friend. Cool Night Herb Grinder. Large capacity, fast, electric, spice herb coffee grinder with pollen catcher 7.5 inch black color. Large capacity, fast grinding for herbs can quickly complete grinding 120 grams of herbs or spices within 5 to 10 seconds. Its visual LED design allows you to control the coarse or fine grinding state with one hand only. It takes 3 to 5 seconds for coarse grinding and 8 to 15 seconds for fine grinding only. Suitable for grinding herbs, spices, pollen, coffee beans, etc., meeting all your needs on grinding and solving other problems like slow grinding, low capacity, long grinding time, inability to control coarseness, etc. It saves you a lot of time for doing other meaningful things. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.